everyone, it's Jen in the kitchen. It's a beautiful Saturday evening here in Victor, New York, and the guys were out building a garden today, or the garden wall, and they're all finished working, and Dave has got the grill started up, and I thought it's perfect evening to make a spatchcock chicken. So, a spatchcock chicken is you remove the backbone from the chicken and it cooks flat on the grill, and you also put a cast iron pan on the top of it. So it's flat, it cooks evenly, it gets crispy and delicious. So I thought I would share this with you guys. So I've got my chicken and we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna get a something to put the chicken in, transfer it from inside to outside. We are gonna open this bad boy up. This is a really easy thing to do that again looks impressive. I'm gonna just come right over here to my sink and dump this out and give it a quick rinse because it's chickeny and we don't want that. Okay. Ooh, even giblets in there. We will not be doing anything with those on Jen in the kitchen today. Okay. We got our chicken. So, I think I'm going to get something to dry this off with. Let's see. We're gonna have to go for a, okay. All right, we're gonna dry our chicken off a little bit. Clean dish towel. I should probably have paper towels, but in times of Corona, I do not. Okay, just gonna give that a quick dry off. All right, we wanna turn this little guy upside down so we're finding its backbone. Now, I am famous for cooking chickens and turkeys upside down because for some reason, I get it mixed up, but I can feel its little backbone here. So this is what we're going to do. I'm hoping you guys can see this closely enough. I think you can. On either side of that backbone, you're going to take your kitchen scissors and cut along the side of the backbone. Get right in there. Let's see, I'll start on the other end. You can save this little piece if you are so inclined to make chicken stock. All right. It's giving me a little trouble on this side. There we go. And I think I'm just gonna do like a simple salad with this. But it's gonna be nice to get out on the grill and enjoy the evening a little bit. Almost got it out. Okay, got your chicken back out. And what I'm gonna do is there's a little bone right in here between the wings from where you cut out. You're gonna give that a little, okay. You're gonna give that a little hammer action and just crack that right there. Doesn't take much. And crack that open. Okay. I'm gonna rinse this again. Just because looks like it's got a couple little things in there I don't want cooking. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip this over, and this is what our chicken's gonna look like. Okay. Gonna get my chicken drying cloth. We're gonna put olive oil, salt and pepper on this little creation. So let me grab my olive oil. And there's my salt, and I'll grab my pepper. Okay. So little zhuzh. And I'm just gonna rub that in because we want some nice crispy chicken skin. Give it a little massage, little chicken massage. Okay. Little salt and pepper. I had to not get all the olive oil off my hands for that. I'll tell you, once that sun starts shining, everybody's mood gets better. There's some nice pepper on there, and we're gonna salt it up. You know what? I actually have some red peppers. I think I'll grill those. Since we already have the grill going, why not, right? See what you've got in your fridge. I have some peppers. So I think I will cook those up. And these are always good with a little olive oil, a little balsamic. I think I'll do 3 of them. Do a little yellow. Maybe I'll even do them on skewers, because they're easier to maneuver on the grill with skewers. So we'll come over here. Let me just grab a different cutting board that's not chickeny. And we'll take our little chicken and put him right in here. He's getting ready to go on the grill. Okay. And I have a little cutting board that's not chicken juicy. And I hate to pass by an opportunity where the charcoal grill's going and I'm not taking full advantage of it. So, just doing some little spears here. And everybody always eats up the grilled vegetables, that's for sure. And I love grilling season. And we just got the charcoal grill last year after years with a gas grill. And it's so nice. I love charcoal grills. Everything tastes better on them, I think. It's a little bit more effort, but I think it's well worth it, as I am not the one starting the grill. Okay, one more for this guy. That one's going on flat because running out of real estate. I'm just gonna pour a little olive oil. There we go. Little balsamic vinegar, which is always good on whatever you got going on. Oh, this is a nice syrupy one too. Okay, I'm gonna do a little onion or garlic. See, we've got garlic powder. I bet we've got onion powder in here too. Just a little sprinkle. I mean, veggies don't need a whole lot, I don't think. Onion powder. And a little salt, a little pepper. And we're gonna head outside to the grill. So stay tuned. We're back outside. Dave has gotten the grill heated up for me. And I haven't cooked too much on this grill, but I have high hopes. So it's preheated. It's at about 400 degrees. All right. And we are gonna take our chicken skin side down. And you can oil your grill if you think that that's what it needs. And then we're gonna get our little, I'm gonna put them in there. Put our little peppers on there. simple little things. And then I'm going to take my pan and I'm going to put it right on top of the chicken to flatten it. And I'm going to shut the lid. Ooh, and it did go way down. We're going to leave that for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to turn it a little bit and let it sit there a little bit longer. We're trying to crisp up that skin, and then we're going to turn down the heat and let it cook for about 25 minutes. So we'll see. It's so nice to be outside. I was like, hallelujah today. We had a blue sky. It was 55 degrees. We have had hail and rain and snow and gray and wind. It's been awful. So nobody enjoys a spring day like an upstate New Yorker. I will tell you that. So it's climbing back up there. It's like a mystery for all of us because I haven't cooked on this grill. So is everybody else waking up their gardens and getting ready to plant? I ordered some pine straw today for in the garden, our new garden area. Very exciting. We're doing a vegetable garden for the first time this year, so it should be fabulous. Trying to resist opening up this to see how it's going. I'm going to give it a couple of minutes. All right. Now let's put this over here. Oh yeah. It's looking a little brown under there. I'm going to turn it a quarter of the way just to get different parts of the chicken. Brown. Throw my pan back on top. And close her up. I think it's brown enough on that side. Ooh, baby! I need better tongs, that's for sure. Early in the grilling season. There we go. So you really just want to get a nice crispy skin on that outside, and then when that has happened, you're going to flip it over and let it cook the other side for about 20-25 minutes. I have no lighting control out here. Ooh, look at that chicken! Goodbye, sweetheart. Ooh! We'll come back when we're 165. Okay, we have reached 165 degrees internal temperature. So we're gonna pull this puppy off of here. Hopefully, with grace. Woo! Oh, does anything smell better than chicken grilling? I don't know. I'm gonna take this in, plate it up, and I'll show you a picture of it. Okay, we're gonna plate this up and get dinner on the table. I whipped up a little simple salad, and we have our grilled vegetables on there, and our beautiful chicken, which I'm gonna quarter up. That beautiful crispy skin. I'm telling you, easiest thing ever. You just have to be patient to wait for the chicken to get up to 165. That is the big part of the waiting game. And here we have it. Dinner is served. Have a good night and bon appetit.